So we were able to successfully import all of our contacts into Salesforce. As you can see, we have 200 plus contacts within our org that were successfully imported. And in this video, we want to walk through the update operation, which allows us to update records that are currently within our org. So if you could look at the contacts that we were able to import, we were able to import them successfully, but we actually don't have a relevant account next to any of the contacts that we imported. So as you can see, the account ID is actually blank for each record. So in this video, we want to leverage Salesforce Inspector Reloaded to be able to actually update these records so that they have a relevant account. So I want to note, real world scenarios, you would actually have a relevant field to map your contacts to your account. So we have maybe do like a VLOOKUP, say if they had the same email, phone number, you would be able to sync up your contact to the relevant accounts. But this is just an example showcasing the steps. So we're actually just going to export the ID from both account and contact and then update our contact. So we'll just walk through that quickly. I'm going to leverage queries to be able to actually pull the IDs, but you could also pull IDs through report as well. But I'm just going to use Salesforce Inspector so we can pull it really quickly. We're just going to look for the ID of accounts that were created today, and we're just going to run our query, and we're going to download our file, and we'll just name this account IDs. So now we have all of our account IDs that were created today, and we're actually going to do the same thing for contact. So we're just going to run a query on contact, and then we're going to download all our contact IDs as well. So as you can see, we have both files. So as you can see within our file, we have both of our account ID and also our contact ID. And now we're just going to run an update operation within our org. So I'm going to leverage Salesforce Inspector Reloaded, and we're just going to click the data import option. And within that option, you can see we have the option to update our action to actually be set to update. And then we actually want to update our object to be contact. And I'm just going to do a data post right here. So I'll just paste the data here. And as you can see, our field mapping is taken care of. Our ID is mapped to our contact ID. Account is mapped to account ID. And now we have the option to run our update. So I'll just run an update within the org. And we have 200 queued, 200 processing. And as you can see, we have 200 successful updates. And we'll just view these records within Salesforce. So as you can see on our contact, we previously didn't have an account name, and now each contact has an account name. So we could walk through our list of contacts that we created today and see that each one now has an account name. So that is the update operation within data manipulation and using Salesforce Inspector Reloaded. In the next video, we'll walk through deleting or mass deleting records within your org.